Hello, Heidi Ho, and yoo-hoo, everybody. Let's go ahead and take a look at room 9439 here at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. So as you can see, there's a nice little foyer area right here in the front. Now this is one of their resort studios here in Big Pine Key, which is the newest DVC building. You open up this beautiful armoire here. Here on the right, there is storage. You have your hair dryer and the steamer, the safe, and more storage. On the left-hand side, there's the extra pillow and blanket, lots of hangers, the robes. Hello, Grand Floridian robes. You've got a broom back there and a little luggage carrier. Nice full-size mirror here so that you can make sure that you look cute before you go to dinner at Citrico's. I really like this fabric inlay too. Let's go ahead and look on the right. On the right hand side is going to be your bathroom. It's going to close with this barn door. Really, really beautiful with the molding. As you walk in, nice and bright. I love that artwork. Very, very pretty. Let's swing over to the left. Hi. So look at this beautiful mirror. I love how it's backlit. It really makes a really pretty softness in the room that's not too harsh, but just enough lighting so that you can see what you're doing. There's the makeup mirror. Let's see how bright that is. Decent. You don't want that to be too harsh, right, ladies? Good double vanity here. Lots of room because this room does sleep 5. Storage there on the bottom. Turning around, this is the toilet room and the shower. I love the colors in here. Sorry, Tabby, we might have to redo our colors in our house to match the Grand Floridian because we fancy like that, right? I think we should do a mix of Grand Floridian and Riviera colors throughout the house. Let me know in the comments if you think that we should do that. Coming out of the bathroom, I'm going to swing back around and show that this does close as well. So you do get some more privacy for you to do your business. And it actually lowers the volume on that fan too, because that can get kind of loud. Let's go ahead and walk out here. Next to that armoire, you have your microwave, your coffee maker, glasses and cups, ice bucket, all of your coffee and silverware needs here. Down here is the cooler, and I think that is a beverage cooler. We are in a studio room. Trash receptacle. And now as we walk in, look at how absolutely beautiful this room is. Starting here on the left, you have the nice big TV, and it looks like it swivels. Yes, it does. It swivels. Excuse some of my stuff. I just threw that down so I could film this for you. You have a little makeup area with that little bench. Very, very cute. A whole bunch of storage. Like I said, this sleeps 5 people, so you're going to need space to put all of your stuff, especially with kids, right? So you've got 4 good-sized drawers. Not the biggest that I've seen on property, but definitely big enough to hold a lot of stuff. Coming over here to the right, you have more of that Mary Poppins artwork. This beautiful sofa, which also doubles as the 5th sleeper bed. I will turn that down in just a minute to show you what that looks like. Swiveling around, we have a table here in the corner. Really nice to be able to put stuff on. On either side of the beds that don't share the nightstand, you have these little shelves for your phone, and then you have plugs underneath, perfect for all of your charging needs. I absolutely love this fabric headboard. You have your little reading lamps. Look at that detail there on the wood for the frame. Really, really pretty. Really nice queen size beds. I love the addition of the throw pillows too. It adds that little accent color. Here's the main nightstand that the 2 beds would share on either side. You've got 2 good sized drawers. That really pretty lamp. Look at that detail on the shade. Grand Floridian, you can do room service. Hello, gonna be doing that soon. The 2nd queen size bed. There's more of that artwork. Really, really beautiful. Here is the thermostat, and I was shocked to see that it will only go to 68. I think that that's something that is going to be standard here at Disney to save money. You also have another one of those ledges for your phone. It's not a full nightstand, but it's enough for you to hold your phone, your Apple Watch, maybe your relief band if you have motion sickness like I do. I love this rug. It really adds a nice warmth to the hardwood floor. It's really, really pretty. Underneath, you have space for your luggage. Because again, I keep saying it, it sleeps 5 people. Let's take a look at our view. This is a lagoon view. You've got 2 nice chairs right here, a really decent sized balcony. And then look at this view. You can see the pool and the splash pads. We've got a beautiful view of the Polynesian. Just really, really beautiful. Let's come back inside. Make sure to shut the door because the air conditioning will turn off and it is toasty today. Now I'm going to remove these pillows just for a second to show you what the bed looks like. There's this little handle right here. You just pull it down. And there is your 5th sleeper. Now, I don't know if this is standard in all of the rooms or not. This is the first time that we're staying at the Grand Floridian, but I love the vaulted ceiling of this room. It really adds a lot of space and it really makes the room feel very grand. And I love the chandelier. Look at those little penguins on the chandelier, so pretty. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a resort studio in Big Pine Key at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa here at Walt Disney World. If you've stayed at the Grand Floridian, which room have you stayed in? Or if you stayed here multiple times, which one is your favorite to stay in? This is our first time, so it's just beautiful. And I love all the colors. I love all the details. It really feels very grand and luxurious, which it should because grand is in the name, right? If you like this content, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any fun when I bring my family down to Disney World. That's going to do it for today. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment. I'll see you real soon, friends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.